heavier control than mine. Dave here, how are you? Today I'm going to do something slightly different to woodworking. As you can see on the bench down here, I've got plenty of stuff to go on with, but I decided I needed to get out into the garden, and I've got 5 big tree stumps that I want to grind out of the ground so I can grow the grass over before the growing season finishes. This is something I've been putting off, and I thought, you know what, I've got to do it. So this will be fun. I'm going to go and grab a hat, throw the old eye muffs on, and get out there and start clearing everything away from around these stumps. You can't put the grinder over the stumps before you pull the dirt and all the vegetation and maybe a couple of rocks out of the way. So it'll be arriving in another few hours, so I've got to get into it. I'm having to do a little bit of tidying up. See just behind me that pile of grass? There's actually a tree stump under there. I've got about 5 or 6 of those on the property here. So I've had to take a break from carpentry and actually get rid of some wood in the ground. So I'm still dealing with timber, but this is a little bit of a hazard. I want to get rid of that so I can just run the mower through there and not worry about it. I didn't pull that stump up when I did the original work here because I have services going very close to it. And if you pull a stump up, sometimes you'll pull the roots up and the services at the same time, and that becomes expensive. Now, I have never used one of these machines before. It's very similar to the operation of my dingo, and I've had that for about 20 years. But this is a new experience, so I'm going to share it with you. This is a grinding head. It's a disc with many little tungsten cutters on the top, and it grinds away at the edge. You sweep backwards and forwards, lower down a little bit, sweep backwards and forwards, and then advance forwards. So here we go. And this way. That's how we do it. And move forward. The heavier control than mine. Oh, this is great. Love it. Well, that, my friends, is amazing. Look at that. I've got a bit more to do over here. What do you think of that? How good is that? I've never used a stump grinder before in my life, and that What a result. This part here, I'm going to go for it. I'll turn the camera off for this section. I'll just keep on going. And then I'll clean all this up and it'll be as though nothing was there. Magic. What a brilliant result. Look at this. There was 2 dirty big eucalypt stumps here. That's Australian hardwoods and very, very hard. This thing, look at it. Look at these teeth. They're still in really good nick. I was surprised. I thought, you know, I'd smash them up, but no, they're really good. Look at this. That is a fantastic result. I'm so happy that I hired the stump grinder. This is something that's been sitting here for many, many, many years. 20 or 25 years those stumps have been there for, and they've been annoying me and annoying me. And it just bugs me, you know, now that we're starting to get the garden looking really pretty with the fountain, I thought I'd get rid of that. I've got 2 more stumps up that side to get rid of tomorrow, and I've got another 2 more down there to get rid of. I'm over the moon. That machine, that big guy down there that I hired from local hire store, or the local hire shop at Valley Heights, or if you put in Springwood, it'd come up as well. Oliver is the good friend of mine. He rented that to me. There's no special favors. Go and see him. I'm not getting kickbacks from this. It's just that machine has made me so happy. I'm more than happy to recommend him. Thank you so much, Oliver. Thanks for watching. Keep on coming back. Click the like if you like what I'm doing. Subscribe to the channel. There's a little picture of me down there. Click that button. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye. Beautiful. I love it. I get by with a little help from my friends. These are my friends.